problem, big countries. A country is big if it has an area of at least 3 million kilometer square, or it has a population of at least 25 million. Okay. So write a solution to find the name, population, and area. So we need three columns here, which are fulfilling at least one condition, that is at least the population is greater than 25 million, or the area is at least greater than 3 million. Yeah. Okay. So let's write the solution. Select name, area, and population from world. Condition this from world where area is at least at least 3 million, right? So we should write greater or equal to 3 million 0 0 0 0 0 0, and the condition population, or condition here, if it has an area of 3 million, or it has a population of 25 million at least. Okay. So where area or population is greater or equal to 25 million. Okay, 6 zeros. So select name, area, population from world where area 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 zeros here, and 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 zeros here. Okay. So I think this code will work. Let's give it a try. Yeah. Okay. So let's submit the question. Yeah, it worked. Okay.